The Legend's latest update, version 1.17, brings key enhancements. It improves stability and accuracy in challenging environments. The pinpoint function has been improved on deeper, non-ferrous metals in version 1.17. With the beach mode update of version 1.17, deeper non-ferrous metals that previously appeared as ferrous in high mineral beaches are now accurately identified as non-ferrous. This ensures better accuracy in challenging beach conditions. With version 1.17, the zero level of the iron filter has also been updated. Now, small gold in very trashy sites, which was previously detected as ferrous by the device, can be detected as non-ferrous.